ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 79 Attaching a macro to an object. Macros can also be assigned to a database object, such as a whole form. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's open the transport database and open the buses form in design view. Click in the button in the top left to select the whole form. Display the property sheet and select the Event tab. If you notice, there are many more possible events associated with the whole form. Click in On Close from the property list. So in this case, the macro will be triggered when the form is closed. Click the down arrow and choose the Open Servicing macro. Close the property sheet and save the form. If we now switch to Form View, let's navigate through a few records and then close the form. The Open Servicing macro runs and the servicing form opens in maximized format. Close the servicing form and display the buses form in design view. We now want to remove the Open Servicing macro from the onClose event for the form. So, Property Sheet. For the onClose, right-click and then Cut. OK, let's save the buses form. Close it and save the database, as we're going to be using it in the next lesson. OK, we've now reached the end of Lesson 79, in which we've discussed attaching a macro to an object, and I look forward to seeing you next time when we will discuss creating macros from controls. OK, I hope you're keeping up, and I look forward to seeing you next time.